Okay, in the shop today at our Sterling location, we have a 2010 Audi A5. It was towed to us with a crank, no start condition. And basically what that means is the vehicle cranks over, like you hear noise when you turn the key, but it won't start, it won't catch. So this is a 2-liter turbo engine, and we're going to go into the diagnosis and find out why it's not starting. We think it has some type of timing chain issue, and the vehicle may be out of time, which is a big problem for this engine. It's what's called an interference engine, but we'll go into that. We'll take this thing apart and show you guys what we find. So stay tuned.